Hello everyone. Today we learn how to fix WordPress admin area like that. Username and password are showing error. There are some CSS error. So we fixed it today. Let's see how we fix it. So I am reloading the browser. It's showing same error here. So now I am log out. So I open Chrome Debug tools and I will fix it. Let's see how we fix it. We need to define the class ID that are getting error. So this is our class ID login form WP PWD. So here the problem. So that's problem of the positioning. So we need to fix it. We fix it. Now it's showing like really good. So this is my client website is getting error. So I'll fix it. Now we'll do we copy this class ID and we need to put on WordPress backend like that. We need to log in here. After login, we need to add a plugin for CSS. So this is called CSS. Simple custom CSS or JS. We need to install that. Little bit slower. So now I click. Okay. Add custom CSS. Here WP login issue. So we delete the previous data and like that. Now this is working. Let's add a second bracket in last. We no need to this. I think not working. Wait. So we need to copy this and put here. Then working good. Okay. Now we select internal or external header in admin or login page. I think this is the login page, so we need to publish it. Now we check this incognito mode. Now looking much better. I think we need some CSS for that because color not getting. So we open developer tool and like that. That's the color. Okay, this is smaller color. Like blue. It's green, but it's not green. I think it's going white, and we need more background. So we added like green here. So now looking much better. Or so we can add and add your type, and also you no need to put this code here. We need to delete this because we have already CSS with that, so delete it. And here you can change here, this now changes. It's the border color, you can change the border color like that. So I need to make it little bit beautiful, not like this is good. And if you want to copy that, you can copy that like that. Wait, and copy and paste it here. Now it's working good. I think one code is missing way here, so what here? Missing some code like border color. If you want to change the text color, you can also do it. So we need to put that like that. So put here or cut it to make it bold. Now update it, and now refresh the page. Let's check. Now working. Now login page working good. Thanks for watching. So if you need any help, you can follow my blog and contact via blog and comment section below, and must be subscribe my YouTube channel. See you soon.